Today I share with you how to make a delicious and simple butter cake recipe, and you need just few ingredients to get this done. Very easy and delicious. To begin, you are going to be needing butter. Just adding the butter inside a bigger bowl and then get that match. So first of all, use this mortar to match it a little bit so that it's going to enable me to whisk. So now you are going to be needing your whisking machine. Then use that to whisk the butter until it's going to come out beautiful puree. So now you are going to be achieving something like this. So once you get this done, all you do now is to add in is egg. So at this point, don't separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Just add all the eggs together because you are going to mix that together like this. So just add in the 4 eggs and then whisk that again with the whisking machine. So you are going to whisk that about 1 or 2 minutes for the egg and the butter to get combined for you to achieve something like this. So once you get this done, it's going to be white color like this. So once you achieve this, now you are going to be needing flour. So you are going to be making use of the same all-purpose flour you use for your bread recipe. So add in the flour and then don't forget to stream the flour. So now that you get that stream, next you are going to be needing is baking powder. At this point, you add in the baking powder and then stir that together. So now you are going to be needing spatula to mix everything together. So once it get combined like this, now you are going to be adding the whisking machine to get that whisk together like this. So now you are going to be whisking this about 1 minute for everything to get combined. So this is just going to keep on whisking and you are going to be having something like this. So once you get this achieved, now you are going to be adding sugar. So add in the sugar and then keep on whisking. So this doesn't take time, guys. Just about 3 to 4 minutes you are going to get this recipe done. At this point you are going to be needing milk. So for the milk, don't allow this to be much. A little bit of milk is good to go. Now add in the milk and then mix that together. So sweetie, just follow this process. You are going to enjoy this cake. It was so delicious and then it was everything nice. So now that you get that done, you are going to be mixing everything together with your spatula like this, and then you have your batter mix. At this point it was so creamy and so fluffy. You can see how gorgeous that look. So next you are going to be needing your baking pan. First you are going to be adding oil in the baking pan and then grease it around, and then you are going to be needing your parchment paper and then adding the parchment paper and then transfer all your batter inside the baking pan like this. But first try to cover the baking pan very nice for you to have this gorgeous. So now you are going to add in the batter inside the baking pan and then everything is done like this. So this is just so perfect and this cake is so delicious. So one thing about this cake, guys, you are going to enable this to cook at least 1 hour, guys. So allow this your cake to cook very nice, like bake it very nice. So we are using oven. So at this point I'm going to transfer that to the oven to do the job. So this is going to bake about 1 hour for you to enjoy it. Just try to bake it and then you are going to enjoy every bit of this cake. Just 1 hour later, you are going to be having this gorgeous. At this point, the cake has baked and it cooked so nice. So one thing about this cake, just allow the cake to come out brown color like this. You are going to love it. So it cook and the center and the back and front cook so nice. Now you are going to slice that into little bite shape like this and then enjoy. This is all you need to make a perfect, delicious and mouth-watering butter cake. Like it's so delicious. Once you just add this in your mouth, it's just going to melt and the center and the dryness is going to make it to look more crispy, and everyone that eats with you will appreciate you. All you do is to share this recipe and follow this process. In my next one, bye.